How to buy project Ailey token. So this token came under the symbol of ALE. Before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in Wars or crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel. Now, this token is available in MEXC. I will show you how to buy this token on your account. Now, first of all, open your MEXC account like that. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and find your account with some USDT. Now, after that, in the search bar, just type ALE, the token name, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this token will be available or live for trading about 7 hours from now. Now after that, what you need to do to buy this token, click on limits, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see the total that you should to pay with the USDT on your account, and click on buy ALE. So this is how to buy ALE token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.